Hi everyone, so today we are going to be talking all about beauty filters on Zoom. So let's get to it. So what you want to do is if you are already in a meeting, all you have to do is go to the bottom on Stop Video and then click on Video Settings. From there it is going to open up this screen for you. So what I would like for you to do is to focus right over here on my face. I want to show you the difference. So right now there is no filter. If I click this setting right here, touch up my appearance, I want you to notice it kind of gives like an Instagram blurring effect. So let's do that. Now I have this on the highest setting because I wanted you to see like that immediate difference. So this is with it and this is without it. Now let me just kind of tone this down a little bit to show you the difference. So you can go as light as you want. This is at its lightest setting. Pretty much can't really tell if it's at its lightest setting. I'm going to turn it back on, and then let's just give it a little bit more. So it really just does this very light blurring effect. Now let me show you the other really interesting tool that they just added. So over here on the left, if you click on backgrounds and filters, then from there, they just added this studio effects, which I think is really interesting. So let me pull this over so you can see it. So right now I have no filters for makeup, but I want you to show you, if you want to, let's see what those look like. So you can actually add brows. So there's all sorts of different colors. You can change them to an actual fun color if you were interested in, but right now mine is on black, but it's at a pretty low setting. So you can kind of see how the shape has completely changed. Now I will say I'm going to move my eyebrows for you a little bit, and you can definitely see how it's there. But hey, if you can keep your face completely still and not talk, certainly a thing. I'm going to go down to brown so it's less intense, and then you can kind of just see it just helps you. This is a sharp shape, so like it has a sharp arch to it, so I'm going to kind of increase that, but obviously with the way that my brows are shaped, it doesn't really work, but you can certainly play with it. So I'm going to turn this back to this one and then put it way down. And then the other one, if you want to have a mustache and a beard, like totally does it. Not interested in that, so I'm going to take that one off. But I do really like this idea. If you ever are hopping on a Zoom call and you forget your makeup and you're like, oh, let me turn on beauty filter. I might like hook up my eyebrows a little bit and give my lip a little bit of color. I'm going to choose this ruby red so you can see what this looks like. And then I'm going to scroll down here. You can actually, it's really intense. The higher that you get, you can start to see the way that my mouth moves a little bit. You can see it on the inside. So I'm going to move it down. But you know, it's kind of just a really nice tool. So I just turned it to purple. If I wanted to increase it, you can choose your own color. So for those of you that are interested in giving yourself just a little bit of a filter whenever you're on these Zoom calls, this is the tool to do it. So thank you guys for joining my channel. I hope you enjoyed this short video. If you're interested in more content like this, please comment below. Have a great day. Bye, y'all.